Muddling fresh fruit or herbs in a cocktail adds a really nice fresh dynamic to a drink. There's a lot of different types of muddlers out there. As you can see, I have a couple of different styles here. The one that you definitely don't want is one that has varnish on it. It comes off in the drink over time. Two different styles of muddling that I'm going to demonstrate for you today. We're going to muddle fresh fruit and we're going to muddle some herbs. When you're muddling fresh fruit, you want to kind of create a puree for yourself. You're muddling and getting all the essences and the juices out of it to create that dynamic. So you really want to get in there and pulverize it. The next style of muddling is muddling different herbs and spices. We're going to muddle some mint for you today. What you want to do here is you definitely want to have a little bit of liquid in there. So I'm pouring a little bit of simple syrup. And the reason for that is you want to have something for it to adhere to. You want to have something in there for it to infuse. When you muddle this, you really don't want to push too hard on it. You just want to gently open up the veins. And this goes for all herbs and spices. And those are your two types of muddling. The fresh fruit for the Appleton Reserve Luxury Daiquiri. And for the herbs and spices, the Appleton Reserve Mojito. And that's how you muddle. Enjoy yourselves out there.